Hello, my name is Teresa. Welcome to the new online language course,
Fun with Czech! Welcome to our channel, Fun with Flex.
Fun with Czech.
Welcome. Welcome to our channel, Fun with Czech. So in this channel, we're gonna have many videos, lots of funny videos about Czech as a language, Czech people, Czech food, Czech drinks, mainly beer, basically. So you need to subscribe somewhere there to get updated of the latest videos. Please at least give us a like. See you!
We've created this channel because we feel that the existing materials for learning Czech are just not enough. It's like grammar and
then you have to learn different forms of one verb and another verb and then all the cases and you just
get lost at the very beginning of your studies. We feel that the purpose of learning a language is to communicate, to speak it immediately. And this is what we are gonna teach you. So please subscribe somewhere like there. And let's have more fun with Czech together.
Huh? It's for free.